Do you know there are so many simple things that can bring you abundance of joy? So many memories from childhood that will delight your heart. Come with me. I will tell you the secret of happiness. A cycle ride to see the sunrise. Happiness is to see that sparkling rim of yours. Happiness is having the most clean shoes amongst your school friends. Happiness is seeing them glitter. Keeping the playground clean. It gives you a sense of belonging. That deep connect with our Mother Earth. Your garden can be the most relaxing place on earth. Happiness is from sowing those seeds for future and watching them grow every day. Nurturing them, loving them, watering them, taking good care of them. Making your own snack. Helping your mom or doing it the way you want, the way you like. Take a slice of bread, add some veggies, some butter and sauce, a slice of cheese, your favorite vegetables, and enjoy it. The simple bread, butter, jam tastes so good. You know why? Because you made it. Collecting those different magnets. You love Daddy's car, don't you? Cleaning it someday will make him so happy. Lighting up the whole house before festivals. Making your own bed and cleaning your room. By putting things back where they belong, cleaning your room. Don't you like a clean room? That way you will find those things back where you kept them, and making your home neat and tidy. Helping mom in the kitchen. She will be so happy to see you help. Taking your best friend, your little pets, for a walk every day. Teasing and playing with your elder sister. Exploring and making new hobbies. Learning to take the best photos. Trying so hard to make that motorboat you made float. Doing your homework with Grandpa. It's fun buying vegetables. And pick your favorite ones. Letting Dad know of your choices. Happiness, it's just running with that kite high in sky. Thinking about waiting for summer holidays. Watching the stars in clear sky. Happiness is that unique code you and your best friend use to talk to each other. The one that only both of you can understand. And many, many more things like these. Washing your own plates. Cleaning your own room. Washing that favorite jersey of yours. Making your own meal. Practicing your guitar or beating your drums. Hope we got a big smile on your face.